editions, that is the basic, standard, and advanced, with the advanced edition provide the most functionality, and basic edition is used primarily to manage the multi-user geodatabases and geodata service. What is geodatabase? It is a container for the spatial and attribute data, and geo includes the location specific. That means the data has been georeferenced with the assigning the special coordinates by the specific location, and also geocoding has been done. Geodata, geocode for finding and displaying the address location, and a geometry for the calculating the areas and of the polygonal features. Geoprocessing for the spatial data analysis tools, and 3D we use the globe, and for image surfing and raster data for the change detection analysis we use the satellite image and the orthophoto, and the KML file, that is for if we digitize any features from the Google Earth, it will be saved in the KML, and we have to convert that KML file into the shape file in the ArcGIS platform. And also mobile for running devices, network analysis for the routing, that is finding the shortest path, closest facility location, and for the search, and the various the web coverage service, web feature service, web map service, and web processing service, etc., and the transaction web feature service. These are the various components of the ArcGIS server, which includes the external clients, firewall, and the ArcGIS adapter. Firewall is for the protection from the virus, and it includes the user, publisher, admin, and ArcGIS server, and finally it contains the geodatabase. So this is a complete and integrated server GIS. And the complete and integrated server GIS consists actually it enables us to distribute the map, models, and tools to the others within our organization that will fit for the workflows. And with the help of ArcGIS server, we can publish fast, intuitive web maps tailored to the audience, geographically enable our IT investments, centrally manage our geodata, simplify access large volumes of imagery resources, and extend GIS technology to the mobile workforce. So it performs various web mapping applications, custom web applications. Web mapping application, that means the create and manage browser based applications for viewing, querying, and editing the GIS data. In that case, no programming experience is required, but for the custom web applications, we have to develop rich interactive applications on the top of the ArcGIS server using the JavaScript or HTML or .NET or Java. ArcGIS server supports very wide range of applications, which includes the ArcGIS Online, Mobile, ArcGIS Desktop, ArcGIS Explorer, and ArcGIS for AutoCAD. ArcGIS Explorer helps us to access, organize, and present 2D and 3D GIS map services, spatial analysis tools, and web content, including the ArcGIS Online. ArcGIS for AutoCAD helps us to access the vector and raster and image services. ArcGIS Desktop, the author optimize and use GIS data, map services, and spatial analysis tools. And the mobile application, it helps to create and manage mobile projects that work in connected and disconnected states from uninterrupted data collection and editing. And ArcGIS Online helps us to access and share data, maps, tools, and services via web. And who uses the ArcGIS server? It is when used by the database administrator, because database administrator is a person who has a central control over the entire database system, and he should give the permission to granting the authorization user access, creation, updation of database, etc. So database administrator, GIS professional. Database administrator uses the ArcGIS server to provide centralized, scalable geodata storage, improve geodata security and integrity, and deliver multi-user access and editing capabilities to web and desktop and mobile users. GIS professionals use the ArcGIS server to manage and distribute GIS content such as maps, globes, imagery, and geoprocessing models across organizational boundaries to mobile and information workers as well as web citizens. And application developers use the ArcGIS server application programming interfaces to build and deploy rich interactive web mapping applications that can comply with multiple user approaches to the geospatial, IT, and interoperability. So the application developers use the ArcGIS server for programming interface and deploy rich interactive web mapping applications and define standards and interoperability. IT administrators use ArcGIS server to streamline business process, increase efficiency, automate tasks, and manage GIS web services. And information workers use ArcGIS server applications and service to access authoritative data and process, improve workflows and customer service, and generate reports and analytic maps. Mobile workers use ArcGIS server to view and navigate mobile maps, monitor the location assets, and collect, edit, and update GIS data. Web citizens use ArcGIS server applications and services to explore government data as well as contribute their own maps, share comments, photos, and other information, and participate in local, regional, and global decision making. There are several ArcGIS server extensions, which are 3D, geostatistical, networks, spatial, image, data interoperability, schematics, job tracking, and geoportal. 3D analysis can be used to seen from multiple observation points, model subsurface feature, atmospheric events. Geostatistical share scientific models and surface exploration techniques. Network model is the realistic network conditions over drive times, multi-point routing, surface area definition, optimum routes, and closest facility analysis. Spatial analysis derive new surfaces, predict likely outcomes, find suitable location, model alternatives, use integrated raster vector analysis. Image enables dynamic mosaicing on the fly, processing of large number of images, make the full information content on your image accessible. Data interoperability, access and transfer hundreds of data formats, and employ spatial extract, transform, and load ETL capabilities. Schematics generate, visualize, and manipulate diagrams stored in the geodatabase. Job tracking improves the efficiency of any multi-user GIS projects through the administration of project tracking and workflow management systems. Geoportal provides quick, reliable access to diverse and dynamic geospatial resources, supporting Open Geospatial Consortium specifications, standards, etc. And the ArcGIS server key features. The key features of the ArcGIS server includes data management, GIS web services, mapping, spatial analysis, publishing to clients, image management, web application functionality, application developer tools, spatial web editing functionality, advanced spatial analysis, mobile GIS application functionality, mobile application developer tools. So let me explain one by one. So data management, it provides geodata services for data execution, replication, and synchronization. GIS web services include map, image, global, local, locator, geoprocessing, KML, WCS, WMS, WFS, and WFST. Data management, it provides geodata services for data extraction, replication, synchronization, as well as framework and tools for the large spatial data sets in RDBMS, such as IBM, Oracle, Microsoft SQL Server, and PostgreSQL. GIS web services, it supports web services including mapping, imaging, global geoprocessing, KML file, web map service, web coverage service, web feature service. Mapping includes tools for creating rich browser-based web applications. Spatial analysis supports server-based analysis and geoprocessing, including vector, raster, and network analytics, as well as model scripts and tools. Publishing to clients support a broad range of clients, including ArcGIS Desktop, ArcGIS Explorer, AutoCAD, and mobile and browser-based applications. Image management, it supports a complete management system for delivering large quantities of imagery that can be assumed in desktop, mobile, web, and imagery clients. Web application functionality allows creation of configurable web mapping applications by a simple wizard. Application developer tools provides complete development platform from the Microsoft.NET framework and the Java platform, which also includes application programming interfaces for JavaScript, Adobe Flex, and Microsoft Silverlight for creating rich interactive applications. Spatial,